make the corresponding changes into the modular. So using the modular, we will then follow the various steps of nodes, relations, request and response, and then finally we save and finish the application. And once this activity is done, then as a final step in the process, we can then check our connector using the transaction which is EHS test and then search. So EHS test search, and here we can identify uh, using the right connector ID. So we can select the connector ID and we can use the search term. So these are all the connectors for different objects. So the same discussion we did it for material, but then it is equally relevant for the other models as well. So these are all different search connectors for different objects like bank keys, customers, contacts, company code, and so all the active connectors will be part of this list, and we'll select our own connector, and then so for example, let me try and select one connector for let's say customers, and we can then use the search term. Search term basically will mean one object which is either in the case either a customer number or a material number, and then we execute this uh, in order to so for example, when I say connector, so without putting any criteria, then here we see that there are various different search options, and the system shows this list: customer, email, name, along with all the address attributes. So so this type of result basically tells us that our connector is okay, we are able to search the result. So this unit test for the connector can be of different types. So for example, I want to search for, this is the connector for the bank keys, and so now we get a list of all the bank keys. So what the system is doing, system is using this connector, and then it brings out all the fields which are part of our request and the response structures. So this is a way to test whether the backend configuration of our connectors are okay or not. So this is these are the basic steps. Then apart from this, sometimes we also check the structures within the backend system, and one such structure for the Mara table is so this is the structure dedicated to the search application. So ES node structure for material head. So similar to this, for all the domains, standard domains, we have the structures for the connectors. So in order to to make sure that